Hello guys, welcome to the new video. In this video I want to tell you how you can automate your tasks on Windows 11 or Windows 10, but I'm not sure about Windows 10. So you can let me know in comment section if you tried and you can show your experience on there. But for these things, I want to use Power Automate. You can find it on Microsoft Store. So I will share a link on the description section. And by the way, if you enjoyed this video and it's helpful for you, please like video and share that with your friends and your family if you want it. And let's do it. After installing this one, you have to log in into your Microsoft account. I log in before video, so it's good to go. Here we have few examples for every task, but we want to create our flow. From here you can click on new flow or bottom left. After clicking, you have to write a name for your flow. For example, I write test. Now we are going for editing tab. Here we have some actions you can add to your flow, and on the right we have input and output variable. On the top bar we have save, run, stop, run next action. You can use it for skip one action on your list, and this is a recorder button. We have to use it on this video, but before that you can create a multiple subflow for one flow, but I suggest you to do everything on your main or just create one subflow, because for your first time it will be very too much hard to handle them, and you can try with one and go for few subflow after that. Now we are going for recorder. After clicking on that, you will be came to another tab for recording every action you do in your computer. This is the recorder section. You can record from here. You can use this two button or reset every action and record again. Here we will press record button. Now it will be record every action we do on computer. For example, I want to open my wallpaper engine from Steam. I'm going for right click, and by the way, this application is too slow and you have to wait more than you expected for that. So no. what the fuck happened? What? Okay, here we go again. Now I'm clicking right click on Steam. And you have to wait for this red things, red boundary around the text or icon or anything. Now they are added to recorded actions. I want to open my Spotify too to play music. And also I want to write a text file, so clicking on it. Now we're done. So we're going to click on done button, and you can delete actions with clicking on that button on the corner. After pressing done, you will be returned on your editing section, and you have to save the actions. You record them. You can delete or move from here, just clicking on it, but I want to just save because I think they are good to go. After saving, you have to wait something around 2 or 3 minutes to save your flow. I don't know it's independent on your network connection speed or not, but for me it's take 2 or 3 minutes to save them. And every time you run your flow, it will be downloaded from cloud and will be run, but I think it's not too heavy because just few actions, and just few texts on a sound file to run them. Now let's run the flow to know it's worked perfectly or not. As you see, guys, it's worked perfectly, and it's really good for example, when you wanna turn on your computer and you wanna do some tasks before you get on the chair, so you can use that to do everything you wanted automated, and it's really good for save time and energy and everything you want to do every day and every time you use your computer. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe button, and please share with your friends if you like it. See you in the next one. Our own on oh fuck. So the flow worked perfectly, but the Spotify ads won't do the same things,